Welcome to our AI learning series. If you're curious about artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and how to use AI tools in your daily life or business, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. Today's lesson covers what AI is, how ChatGPT works, and what AI can and can't do. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the technology that allows machines to think, learn, and perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think of AI as a virtual brain, but one that learns from data. AI research started in the 1950s. Early AI was basic, simple, rule-based programs. Today we have machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning making AI more powerful than ever. AI is everywhere, in your smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation engines like Netflix, self-driving cars, and even AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT. Now let's talk about ChatGPT, one of the most advanced AI models for language generation. Created by OpenAI, it's trained on vast amounts of text data and generates human-like responses. It's used for writing, coding, customer service, brainstorming ideas, and more. How does ChatGPT work? It predicts the next word based on context, improves through user interactions, and works with natural language processing. Think of it like a super smart assistant that can chat, write, and even help with business automation. AI is powerful, but it has limits. Let's break it down. What AI can do: automate tasks, analyze massive datasets quickly, generate content, images, and videos. What AI cannot do yet: think or feel like humans, have creativity or originality like artists, avoid biases. AI learns from data, and if data is biased, so is AI. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. If you're excited to explore AI, here's where to start. Best platforms for learning AI: OpenAI, ChatGPT, DALL-E, Google AI, Hugging Face, Runway ML, online courses, Coursera, Udacity, YouTube. AI tools. You can try without coding: ChatGPT Playground, Ask AI Anything, Copy.ai and Jasper AI for content creation, Midjourney and DALL-E AI-generated images. You don't need to be a coder to start using AI today. This was just the beginning. In our next episode, we'll go deeper into AI-powered tools and how to use them effectively. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Let us know in the comments what AI topic you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.